FabFitFun! Welcome back to my kitchen. It's that time again. Let's go see what's in the FabFitFun springtime box. Like I said, it's that time again. FabFitFun showed up on my doorstep, and first of all, I needed to thank them for partnering with me today on this video. We're going to crack open this spring box. You guys have seen me do FabFitFun boxes every season for the last year and a half, and so many of you love it, and I love it, and my girls love it. And FabFitFun, if you don't know what it is a seasonal subscription box that comes out 4 times a year, winter, spring, summer, and fall, and it's always filled with amazing stuff. It's $49.99, and you can get $10 off your first box by using my code, which is Noreen. It will be down below in the description, along with a link where you can purchase it. But look, that's gonna give you this box for $39.99, but it has a retail value inside this box. This one has almost a $400 value this month. Well, this spring. And some of the stuff in here is really beautiful. I've already looked at it, but I'm gonna open it up for you and show you what it looks like. The other thing about FabFitFun is each one of their boxes is curated by someone very specific. This one is curated by Rachel Pally, and it always benefits an organization that I feel that's really important. So every time you purchase this box, it's going to be helping an organization, and this time it's helping the Girl Rising organization. And Girl Rising is a charity that helps to make sure that girls all over the world are educated, because it says, I'll read you what it says. It says, right now there are 130 million girls missing from classrooms around the world, and Girl Rising is a global campaign for girls' education and empowerment, working to change that through multimedia campaigns and on-the-ground programs. So this is working in all sorts of countries, and you can follow Girl Rising on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And then you get this lovely tabloid circular in every box. It's going to tell you what comes in your box, and we're gonna just dive into it right now. There's some really cool things in this box this month. I keep saying this month, but it comes out quarterly. It always comes impeccably packaged and with the tissue, and I cut it on the side because it's ugly when I tear it. So I love the way they package it, and it always is like opening up a Christmas present 4 times a year. So I got a $50 off coupon off your first 2 boxes of HelloFresh. It's always nice to get some of these promotional things in here too. If you've never tried HelloFresh, I really like it. I've tried it before. This is, we'll just start right at the top. This is the Free People Understated Leather Starry-Eyed Travel Eye Mask. I don't know how many of you guys use eye masks, but this one sure is pretty and fun. This says it's vegan leather eye mask. It features a removable non-toxic cooling insert. So if you've got little puffy eye action going on, look, you can take this out and pop it in the fridge or the freezer, and then you can just put it right in there and reduce your puffiness. I think this is really nice. Let's see this, and if any of you know FabFitFun, there are choice items. So some boxes come with a choice. You're either going to get one thing or another thing. This is one of those things. You are either going to get tassel earrings from Atika, or we're gonna get this Maya Brenner Designs Love Bracelet, which is absolutely darling. Look at this. Isn't that sweet? I just think that's really sweet. And it's this one is sterling silver, which is actually my preference. And this has a retail value of $65. It's just, I think it's just a perfect thing you can just throw on and wear every day. And people will notice it, or you'll just love it. It says love. I mean, you're gonna love it. And then there is another choice item. You were either gonna get the Guava Body Butter by Kors, or the KNC Beauty collagen infused lip mask, and that's what came in my box, were these lip masks, and it came with 5. I've never used a lip mask before, so let's have a look at one. I guess you're supposed to peel this up, put it on your lips, and let it sit there for 15 to 20 minutes. It takes all the dead skin and what have you off of your lips. This might be a nice thing to do to kind of pamper yourself just a little. So that is the KNC Beauty All Natural Collagen Infused Lip Mask 5-pack, and that has a retail value of $24.99. Okay, the next item up for discussion is the Ish Lip Statement Palette. This just comes in a really beautiful compact, and I'm gonna do it. Oh, so satisfying, man. Do you love peeling off the plastic? I mean, ooh. Okay, you know you love it, admit it. This is a really nice lip palette. It doesn't have a lot of crazy colors in it, and you could do a lot of nice blending with this. There's some neutrals and some nice brights. I think this just would appeal to every woman. There's not a whole lot of funkiness going on, if you know what I mean. Sometimes you get a lip palette and it just has some colors you're never going to use. But it comes with, I mean, beautiful, there's Rick, beautiful mirror compact, and then it has a little application brush. This has a retail value of $42. I've never had a FabFitFun box that didn't come full of beautiful things. Next up, we have the Anderson Lily Sunset Collection candle in Manhattan Beach, Fresh Linen, or Super Bloom. And mine is Manhattan Beach, and isn't that pretty? And I have to tell you, this is going to totally get used. So it's rose gold or it's copper. But it says, this is a hand-poured coconut wax blend and cotton lead-free wick. The candle delivers clean and even burning, housed in a lovely copper-colored vessel. These candles will add as much style as they do fragrance in any room. So, oh man. You guys, take a deep breath. Take a sniff, because man, that smells good. It's super fresh. I like that.
Yeah, that's nice.
We will be lighting this right away.
Coconutty at all.
No, you can't smell coconut at all, but it smells just really fresh and like a really nice light summer cologne. It's kind of what I feel it smells like. Next up is the Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion. Who doesn't need a lotion? And Murad is a really good brand. It's been around for a really long time. And this is ultralight oil-free moisturizer. Helps blemish-prone skin to stay smooth and healthy while providing hydration. Also minimizes the appearance of pores, refines texture, and soothes redness and irritation. This has a retail value of $40. If I didn't say it, the candle that we just showed you here has a retail value of $45. And we'll put this on the back of my ugly hand. It is really beautiful. It's not greasy, and it just absorbed into my skin right away. I love this. I will be using this on my face because I am just a soap and water and moisturizer girl, I have to say. I very rarely wear a lot of makeup. It came with a little Dove exfoliating body wash sample. Oftentimes you will find that you get these little samples. They're just like little extras. This is the Dermalect Makeover Concealing Ridge Filler. This is a concealing ridge filler. This is for your fingernails. It fills, if you have ridged fingernails, this says it will keep your nails healthy, smooth, and glossy. And it multitasks by concealing nail imperfections with a natural pink hue while treating them with protein, vitamins, and moisture. This has a retail value of $18. And there you go. I just put that lotion on my hand, so there. Let's see here. We'll put it on my thumb. It's just got the whisper of tint in there, and it smells like nail polish. Yeah. Oh, I kind of like that. Now I'm gonna have to do all the rest of my fingers. Dang it! I do it for you guys. You know that, right? See, there's a little something for everybody in this box. I think that this is the last thing. We have tried this on Rick already. This is just fun. It is the Physique 57 Massage Roller, and It does wonders for sore, achy muscles, improves flexibility, breaks up scar tissue, and keep tender muscles at bay. With 5 to 10 minutes of this tool, you will have your body feeling all the feels, is what it says. This is a retail value of $20. It also suggests throwing this in your carry-on bag when traveling to help relieve sore muscles on the go. This is one of the things that this box kind of has a theme for spring and with travel in mind. So I love that. This, you just roll it on your back. We rolled it on Rick's back and he said it felt really good. This is something that, you know, you can do with your significant other. You gotta have a partner, right? You can't do it yourself. And this, to me, this is like the premier item in the box. This is the Rachel Pally Reversible Clutch in Bloom, Zahara, or Paradise. And this has a retail value of $60, and it's perfect for spring and summer. It's a little purse, and I think it's beautiful. It comes with a protective purse bag because that's super important for all of those occasions. Are you guys going to a wedding? Are you guys going on a cruise? Are you going to the islands like Atlantis or something for winter vacation before spring gets here? This is the perfect accessory because all you got to do, it has a nice zipper. It has a little pocket in there. That's awesome. You can slip your cell phone right down in there. A little card carrier, and that's really all you need. Maybe a chapstick or a lipstick and a compact, and you're good to go. The best part about this clutch is that it's reversible. You can put it with the pretty, this is like a printed canvas, and this other side is like you know, a faux leather. So it's really like two clutches in one, and it has this really beautiful little tassel accent on the zipper pull. I just think this is adorable, and I can see myself using this. You don't get a choice, but you get what comes in the box, and you're gonna get one of 3 that are featured. So I just thought this was beautiful, especially for me. I would probably use this white side or this kind of off-white ivory side on the outside. I could even see putting a little brooch on here as an accent or something. I think that's just me. I'm always wanting to kind of,
accessorize.
Yeah, well, not just accessorize, but bling things out. You know what I'm saying, ladies? But I think it's just really pretty. And I love that they included, I know it's a silly thing, but I love that they included this little protective bag, because if you are a purse person, then you know that really good purses come with these bags, and they're like little dust covers, so that when you are not using it and you're keeping it where you store your bags, then it's not going to suffer from getting covered in dust or whatever. You know, we live in a world where dust is a thing, so it can affect your bags. And I know that a lot of ladies spend a lot of money on good bags, and you want to take care of them if you've got them. So this has a retail value of $60, and I think that this box just is fantastic. That's everything in the FabFitFun box. If you want to get a FabFitFun box for yourself, please use the link below and use my code Noreen to get $10 off your first box. Be sure and do it soon, because these boxes, they don't last forever, and they are limited quantities. Well, there we have it. All of our FabFitFun spring box items wrapped up in a nice little package. I think this box, I love every box that they send me. I am not gonna lie. I think it's a great thing to get for yourself. It's a great thing to get for a gift. Do you have a friend with a birthday coming up? Fantastic idea. You do not have to subscribe to every single box. You can just buy one. You can send it to yourself. You can send it to a friend. You can get it for yourself and divide these up, and you can piecemeal this out for your friends for their birthdays. And it's like getting a giant package of goodness 4 times a year, and you don't have to keep it all for yourself, but you can share things. It's a lot of fun.
So you're getting a whole bunch of gifts inside a gift.
It really is, and I just love it. Again, they retail for $49.99. If it's your first box, you can get $10 off using the code Noreen and the link down below, and you'll get it for $39.99. And again, remember, this box had almost a $400 value. I've had so many people leave lovely comments saying they love this box, they started getting it when I started sharing it, and they look forward to it whenever it's time to get their box now too. So go ahead, use the link down below if you think this is going to fit into your life somewhere. Honestly, I don't know a woman who this isn't going to fit into their life, because right now I can see, you know, my girls have friends. I see at least 3 really great things here that would be great gifts for young women who would not ever turn it away. This bracelet, that purse, the lip palette, the candle. Come on, there's a lot of great stuff in here for you, for your friends. If you just want to squirrel it away and keep it for gift giving, I think that's a great idea too. So go ahead and use the link if you're interested. I hope you enjoyed our FabFitFun unboxing. I would like to thank FabFitFun for partnering with me on this video today. And as always, I hope you enjoyed, and until next time, I'll see ya.